Your boss is actively lying to your face. Your bank is laughing at you behind closed doors. And the entire financial system is rigged to keep you exactly 3 paychecks away from absolute ruin. You sit there working yourself to the bone, missing out on life, just to hand over half your check to landlords and tax collectors who don't even know your name. Let's talk about the secret laws of free money. 1. Your credit card is not an emergency fund. It is a weapon. 2. Banks have secret fee waiver departments. If you get hit with an overdraft or maintenance fee, do not just accept it. Call them up, use the customer retention phrase, and watch them magically erase the charge because they are terrified of losing your data. 3. The found money government databases are overflowing with cash. Millions of dollars sit in unclaimed property offices from old utility deposits, forgotten bank accounts, and uncashed checks. Search your name on official state registry sites. It takes 2 minutes and it belongs to you, not them. 4. Medical bills are entirely fictional numbers. The first price they give you is a bloated scam-level estimate. Demand an itemized bill with the current procedural terminology code. 5. Subscription services count on your laziness. Use a virtual credit card with a set spending limit for all free trials. 6. Your local library is a financial cheat code. Stop buying audiobooks, streaming services, and online courses. 7. Credit unions are vastly superior to massive commercial banks. Big banks treat you like a statistic to be squeezed for profit. Credit unions are non-profits owned by members, meaning lower loan rates and higher interest on your savings. 8. The closing costs on a house are negotiable. Everyone thinks these fees are set in stone. They are not. 9. Automated micro-investing apps are designed to trick you into building wealth. If you lack discipline, set an app to round up every purchase to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change. 10. Extended warranties are a complete and total ripoff. Retailers push them because the profit margins are astronomical. 11. Loyalty to a company is financial suicide. The average raise for staying at a job is 3%, while inflation is eating your lunch. The average raise for switching companies is 15 to 20%. 12. Salary transparency is your birthright. Never believe a manager who says you cannot discuss pay with coworkers. 13. The best time to look for a job is when you already have one. You have all the leverage. You can demand absurd salary numbers with a straight face because you do not need their job to pay rent next week. 14. Never give your current salary during an interview. It is a trap to anchor your new offer. If they ask, flip the script. Ask them what the budgeted range for the position is. 15. Resume screening software can be totally bypassed. Copy the entire job description. Paste it into the footer of your resume in a microscopic font, and change the text color to white. The automated bots will read the keywords, flag you as a perfect match, and push you straight to a human reader. 16. Freelance skills are worth triple what your employer pays you for them. If you write, design, or code for a company, they are selling your labor at a massive markup. 17. Certifications beat degrees 9 times out of 10. 18. Sick days are part of your compensation package. Stop feeling guilty for taking a mental health day. 19. The counteroffer is a death sentence. If you get a higher offer elsewhere and your current boss offers to match it to keep you, do not take it. 20. LinkedIn is a hunting ground, not a social media app. Stop posting cringeworthy motivational quotes and start optimizing your profile with searchable industry keywords. 21. The 24-hour rule destroys impulse buying. When you feel that toxic urge to buy something online, force yourself to wait 1 full day. 22. Store layouts are designed by psychological warfare experts to steal your cash. The most expensive items are always at eye level. The essentials are always at the very back of the store, so you have to walk past a gauntlet of temptation to get them. 23. Inflation of lifestyle is a silent killer. The second people get a raise, they buy a better car or a bigger apartment. If you keep your living expenses exactly the same for just 2 years after a major promotion, you create a financial snowball that cannot be stopped. 24. Cheap people pay twice. Buying the lowest cost boots, tools, or electronics means you will replace them every 6 months. Buy high-quality, durable items that last a decade. 25. Stop viewing prices in dollars and start viewing them in hours of your life. 26. The subscription audit will shock you. Go through your statement right now. You are paying for apps you deleted a year ago, gyms you never visit, and streaming services you don't watch. 27. Never shop when you are hungry, angry, or lonely. Your brain seeks an immediate emotional fix. 28. Automate your savings before you ever see the money. 29. Celebrities are paid to make you look poor. Stop being pressured. 30. The urge to flex on social media is keeping you broke. 31. House hacking is the ultimate real estate cheat code. Buy a multifamily property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. 32. The tax code is not a rulebook for citizens. It is a giant list of incentives for business owners. 33. You can write off a portion of your rent if you work from home. If you have a dedicated home office space, that square footage can be deducted from your taxable income. Stop letting the government take money that belongs in your pocket. 34. Property tax assessments are often completely wrong. Do not just blindly pay the bill the county sends you. File a property tax appeal. 35. The Section 121 exclusion is a massive wealth builder. If you live in a primary home for 2 out of 5 years before selling it, you can make up to $250,000 in profit completely tax-free. 36. Short-term rental loopholes allow you to rent out your home for up to 14 days a year without declaring a single cent of it as income to the IRS. 37. Moving to a state with no income tax is an instant raise. If you work remotely, living in a high-tax state is just voluntary financial self-harm. 38. Depreciation is a magical accounting phantom. You can deduct property wear and tear, making your cash flow nearly tax-free. 39. Hard money lenders do not care about your personal credit score. They care about the value of the real estate deal. If you find a deeply discounted property, you can get funding without begging a traditional bank for approval. 40. Never pay a contractor the full amount up front. It removes all incentive for them to finish the job quickly or correctly. 41. High-interest debt is a financial house fire. Extinguish the debt first, then start building. 42. Index funds consistently destroy professional Wall Street money managers. Stop paying high fees for underperforming advisors. Use low-cost index funds instead. 43. Financial advisors who are not fiduciaries are just salespeople in cheap suits. If they're not obligated to you, they're profiting off you. 44. Compound interest is a mathematical monster. Start early, even less beats starting later for longer. Time is your edge. 45. Retail investing forums are designed to turn you into exit liquidity for hedge funds. When a random stock is trending hard on social media, the smart money is already selling out. 46. Capital gains taxes can be legally deferred forever through a 1031 exchange in real estate. When you sell a rental property for a profit, reinvest that money into another property. 47. The stock market always drops, and that is exactly when you should buy. 48. Whole life insurance is a toxic financial product pushed by aggressive insurance salesmen. Buy simple term life insurance for a fraction of the cost. Take the massive amount of money you saved and invest it yourself in standard index funds. 49. Peer-to-peer lending platforms let you become the bank. Instead of letting your money rot in a low-interest account, lend it out directly to borrowers for a much higher return. 50. The ultimate money secret is that nobody is coming to save you. That is it. 50 secrets laid bare. The system is set up to keep you broke, but now you have the exact blueprint to fight back. Stop being the victim. Stop letting them bleed your bank account dry, and start applying these steps today. The comment of the day goes to Larry Romero, and it reads, "I've been on the right track but learned more. Thank you. Good. Never stop leveling up."